This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sarah West. This land is ready for your home. Already a building site and utilities have been brought in. New driveway has been installed. Pick out your house plans and come on for more information. Review the details below or contact Sarah West at 865-693-1111.